Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best gardening gloves in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Garden Gloves Women and Men 2 pairs, super grippy texture for gardening and work activities. SML sizes, small. These gardening gloves have a lot going for them, as they scored pretty high in our testing for quality, comfort, durability, design, and value. These gloves have a high-quality fit and fabric. The stretchy fabric is comfortable and secure, while the waterproof coating protects your hands and provides excellent grip. The coating is also designed to protect the hand from prickly plants, while the tight fit around the wrist helps keep dirt and debris from creeping into your gloves. Over our 6-month testing period, we found these gloves to be incredibly durable, standing up to both washing and long-term wear. The gloves are made from nylon, which makes them machine washable. However, nylon, which is a synthetic fabric, isn't breathable, so it won't wick away sweat that may build up while working in hotter temperatures. Number 2. Magid Extra Long Thornproof Pruning and Gardening Gloves for Men, 1 pair, size 8/M with forearm protection, tan and purple. Puncture-resistant design, passionately prune roses and other thorny plants with puncture-resistant, thorn-proof gardening gloves. Extra long forearm protection. Reach deeper with extra long forearm protection. Tapered glove is designed to fit most men. Knuckle guard. Enjoy added protection from thorns in vulnerable areas with reinforced knuckles. Extra thick layer of puncture-resistant material at the knuckles. Extra stretch for comfort. Features form-fitting spandex back for comfort and flexibility. Glove moves with you and fits like a durable second skin. Whimsical print. Features a whimsical printed floral design on the fingertips. Print is raised and textured for added grip and security. Number 1. Kimojo Bamboo Gardening Gloves Women Men Puncture-Resistant Breathable Garden Work Gloves, 95% rayon from bamboo and 5% spandex. Protect your hands from the elements with Kimojo gardening gloves. Be it digging, pruning, mowing, or dragging dead branches around, our heavy-duty gardening gloves are all you need to protect your hands during the next outdoor adventure. Perfect choice for eco-conscious gardeners. Our yard gloves are not only high quality and comfortable, but also environmentally friendly. The backs are made of breathable 95% rayon, made from bamboo and 5% spandex that keeps your hands cool in the summer and warm in the winter, while palms are covered in textured latex for improved grip. Water and puncture-resistant coating. Whether you are grabbing stems with small thorns, scooping up debris, or hailing wood for a bonfire, our gloves are perfect for heavy-duty landscaping tasks that require extra protection.